Welcome to Love Lines.
Okay, breakfast is ready. Tara, let's eat. Meron tayong inisang akoy. Yung panchi. At yung itlog na yung natira. Nilagyan ko ng itlog. Yan, yung natirang ready. And sus. Sus. Let's go. Let's go. Tara. Let's eat. Good morning, Philippines! Kain na tayo! Yan sila na kumain. Si Nana. Ay, Nana. Kain na. Me, eat like a king. Kain na tayo. Kino ka makakasin. Alright, kain na tayo. And let's eat like a king. King. Kain na tayo. Kasi, gagawin nila ng dessert yun. Nagkain na ganito. Bumukbangin ko na to. Ay, maliwanag kasi. Right. Ayo.
So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.